Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. How y'all doing? How you doing? How you doing? Let's go. Let's get it. Let's go. It's another day, everybody. That market yesterday. The market yesterday was something crazy, right? And I got to break this down to you so you guys can see the market is crazy, right? It's crazy. One second. Go to YouTube. And if you on Instagram, you want to see my screen, go to my YouTube channel. The link is in my bio. If you on Instagram, you want to see my screen, the link is in my bio. Okay? Link is in my bio. If you want to see my screen, jump on over to my YouTube channel. Everybody on YouTube, take this link. Share it out with 5 of your friends you want to go on vacation with. Okay? Share it out with 5 of your friends you want to go on vacation with. And everybody, right now, this market is going to open up in roughly 22 minutes. The market will open up, and it's time. Let's get it, man. It's time to go. Let's go, man. Let's go. Listen, yesterday, what did we say yesterday? Yesterday we said, hey, I would not buy puts. That's what we said. It's as soon as it went in the market, we said, hey, I will not be buying puts right now. Okay? So, good morning, Mr. William Brown. Good morning, Rod Boyd. Good morning, History of the Victory. Good morning, Hainuf. Good morning, Billy. What's going on? Good morning, my Minoverse. Good morning, Kim G. Good morning, Cole Page. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So, we're going to jump into see what the market did yesterday and how it reacted off that level that we had made, that demand zone, that 4-hour demand zone we had drew out yesterday, and how it bounced right off of that zone and it went crazy all up to 432. So it went from 428, like 428.5, somewhere around there, to 432 yesterday. And we had it marked out perfectly. Okay, we had it marked out perfectly. It was a beautiful thing, everybody. It was beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. One second, let me open up this door. We're going to get started. Share this link out with 5 of your people, 5 of your friends. And if you're on Instagram, you want to see my screen, jump over to my YouTube channel. If you're on Instagram, you want to see my screen, jump over to my YouTube channel. Jump on over to my YouTube channel. All right. Good morning, Sean. Good morning, Satch. Good morning, Miss Tammy. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Listen, so today, the stock futures are down again. Okay, the market dropped down about 2 points. So SPY dropped down 2 points from yesterday. It closed yesterday at like 432.23. Right now it's at 429. Oh my gosh. It's at 429 right now. So it's trying to drop down almost $3. This is crazy. This is crazy. I know a lot of people probably got hurt last night. A lot of people probably actually swung calls last night on SPY. I know some people probably swung calls on SPY last night. It looked like the perfect setup. It looked like the perfect setup, but it really was not. It was horrible. Okay. Good morning, Daryl. Good morning, Morris X. How you doing? How you doing? Everybody, if you're on Instagram right now, you want to see my screen, go to my YouTube channel. So it seems like we're looking at puts today. Interesting. Interesting, right? It seems like we're looking at puts today, right? Now somebody said on Instagram, don't let looks can be deceiving, everybody. Looks can be deceiving. We're gonna talk about it. We're about to talk about it right now. Okay, we're gonna talk about it right now. So if you're on Instagram, you want to see my screen, jump on over to my YouTube channel. So like we always start off, everybody. This is Good Morning Stock Options, our daily show. This is episode 21. Episode 21, y'all. We've been going hard. Congratulate yourself for being here, showing up every single morning, man. Congratulate yourself for y'all, man. I'm clapping for you, right? Clapping for you. So congratulations, everybody. Congratulations. Also, what I'm going to do next week, everybody, next week, what we're doing is my team is keeping a, 1 second. When is the book going to drop? The book is probably dropping October, November. Probably going to be more so November. Is going to be a Black Friday. Probably going to drop it around Black Friday, possibly. probably around Black Friday. Okay, everybody asks me, they're like, man, Chris, when this book dropping? They're like, bro, you put it out too early, man. I have to be dropping it. I know, right? I got impatient. I like, man, listen, it's crazy. The book is crazy, everybody. It's crazy. It's crazy. And then I'm gonna have the actual. I'm gonna so you can. I'm gonna voice it. What is it called? Record it as well, so you guys can read it and you hear my voice, and that means. That's a good thing and the bad thing. The bad reason is you're going to hear my voice and I'm going to be singing. You can be like, holy crap, I did not try to get this book to hear this guy sing horribly, right? So you're going to hear that, right? So I'm sorry. But it's going to be dope, man. It's going to be dope, everybody. It's definitely going to be dope. Good morning, Alton. Good morning, Friday. Good morning, Marv. Yep, and definitely Sean Ed. Good, like, congratulations to everybody. Everybody that's always popping up. Everybody that's showing here. Congratulations. This is episode 21. By the end of the year, I believe we should be about episode 70 or 80 or something like that. This is every morning, everybody. Every morning almost. Okay? So, let's keep going. So, right now, everybody, let's go look at these stock futures like we always do. Right? Look at these stock futures and see what the market, see what this market did overnight last night. Like, this is some exciting stuff, y'all. I don't think you guys understand. This is some exciting stuff that's happening right before your eyes. All right, where's my stock futures? All right, here we go. And let me start my Promised Land chat up. If you're in my Promised Land group, my Inner Circle Trading group, I'm opening the Zoom right now. So you guys can join on into the Zoom. All right, everybody.
Recording in progress.
I think got 2 people in right now. Good morning, Andrew. Good morning, Jason. How y'all doing, fellas? All right. Where art thou? Let's see. CNBC, where are you? What? Okay, here we go. All right, right now, if you're on YouTube right now and you're part of my Inner Circle, part of my Promised Land Trading group, go ahead and join onto the Zoom chat. All right, everybody, take a look at this. Take a look at this. Look at the Dow Jones futures. The Dow Jones is down negative 193 points. Negative 193 points. Negative 193 points. Okay? Look at the S&P. The S&P is down negative 28. I'm scared to look at the NASDAQ. I'm afraid to look at the NASDAQ. Look at the NASDAQ. Down 98 points. Almost down 100 points. Tech stocks are getting crushed. And the Russell is down negative 11 points. So, everybody, yesterday, the market went up about $4, right? Well, it had like a $4 swing. And then, next thing you know, what happened? The market went, boom, down overnight, post-market, then pre-market. The market has fallen back down. Okay? Remember, yesterday, what did we talk about yesterday? Yesterday, we talked about everybody. When the market starts to fall, we've fallen down for 8 straight days. The market has fallen down for 8 straight days. So the market's fallen down for 8 straight days. What does that mean? That means this, like we always say, there's 2 major opportunities when the market makes money. When it's an upward trend and it's a downward trend. After each upward trend, after each downward trend, it's something that's called consolidation that takes everybody's money. Why does it take their money? It takes everybody's money. Why? Because people do not know how to trade. They don't understand when consolidation actually happens. Zigzag say, good morning. I'm a stock option 101 member. I've been binge watching the videos made in $100 trading spot. Good stuff, everybody. CYC for Zigzag. I cannot believe it. I was screaming CYC in my car. All praise to the Most High. That's what's up. That's what's up. That's what's up. If you Ziggy Zig, did you take the $7 course or did you take the actual Mastermind? So back to what I was saying. So yesterday, after we done had all these huge falls, basically what we did was we start consolidating. Calvin, you can go in Calvin, the Zoom chat open, Calvin. The Zoom chat is open for our for the Promised Land group. We started consolidating yesterday. We kind of went up some and then we consolidated for like half of the day. Okay? It consolidated for half of the day. And then what happened? Then we had a nice little small push up at the end of the day. And then I know a lot of people probably tried to swing SPY calls yesterday because they thought it looked so good. And then next thing you know what happened? We fell right back down to this 429, 428 area. That's where we're sitting at right now. Why is this, everybody? Because now we're in a state of consolidation. When we're in a state of consolidation, what are we looking for? We're looking for the floor and we're looking for the top. We're looking for the floor, the bottom, and we're looking for the top. Okay, Chris, what does that mean? Okay, what does that mean, Chris? We're looking for the floor and we're looking for the top. The floor means we're looking for that strong level of support where we're going to see the stock is going to always bounce off of this level. Okay? The top is that level where the stock is going to always go to and fall back down. It's going to go to Mary J. Blige supply zone, fall down to the demand zone. When it gets into the demand zone, it's going to bounce out of the demand zone, go into Mary J. supply zone. Once it gets to Mary J. supply zone, it's going to fall out of the Mary J. supply zone and go down to the demand zone. That's the current stage we're in at this moment. Until, listen to me, everybody, until we actually see a break of that supply zone or a break of that demand zone. Okay, a break of that demand zone, we need to see SPY break of 426. Okay, we see SPY break of 426. It's a strong possibility we're going down to a 419 spot. Okay, if we see that SPY breaks above 434, it's a possibility we're going back up to a 440 SPY. Okay, but right now we're in a consolidation state. So when we're in this consolidation state, and today is going to confirm this, if it confirms it, right? Today will confirm this, but it will start helping us find our top and our bottom. Okay? What'd you say, Sebastian? You said like a great conversation. So, man. Oh, y'all can't hear. My bad, everybody in the Promised Land.
You got no sound, buddy.
Hold on one second. Hold on. My bad, Phil. What's going on? I'm sorry. I thought y'all was off mute. My bad. I was wondering what Sebastian was talking about. This had like a great conversation. My bad, everybody. But yeah, so, and we're gonna talk about this in the Promised Land too, y'all. So don't even worry about it. So we're looking for that top and bottom right now, everybody. We've made a lot of money last week, right? Now it's time for the market to take a breather. It's like when you're running, right? You're running a race. You go full off sprint, run as fast as you possibly can, right? As fast as you possibly can. The next thing you know, okay, let me take a little jog, take a little walk, and then you start walking, jogging, gaining your strength, and then boom, you take off running at full speed again. But what we have to find out is, when we're walking, how long are we going to walk? Then, when we take off, what direction are we going? Are we going up? Are we going down? That's the next few things that we are looking to see. Okay? It's beautiful though, everybody. It's real beautiful. It's a beautiful thing, man. It's definitely a beautiful thing. But we have to understand, do not get stuck trying to trend trade when it's not trend trade time. Okay? It's not trend trade time, and we can confirm that later on today. I mean, confirm it today, actually. Not later on today, but today. All right, so let me pull up my screen. Let's break down the almighty SPY. Let's break down SPY and see what's going on there. If you're on Instagram, you want to see my screen, jump on over to my YouTube channel. Jump over to my YouTube channel if you want to see my screen. All right. So right now, like I said, the futures are down in the gutter, everybody. Like the futures down. The Dow Jones is almost down 200 points. I think SPY was down almost 20 points, I want to say. And what was the other one? The NASDAQ was down almost 100 points. Crazy. Good morning, M Sense. Good morning, Miss Woods. Good morning, Ronald. Good morning, Hoodsworth. Good morning, Miss Charmaine. Hainem say, what's the latest to get into the mastermind? You have up until the day the mastermind starts to register for the mastermind. You have up until the day the mastermind starts to register for the mastermind. Everybody remember the mastermind is October 9th through October 13th. And that's what I'm going to be showing you guys how to trade stock options from A to Z. So right now, if you're on here, you're new, and you're like, what is this guy with gray hair screaming about? This is what I'm going to teach you guys October 9th through October 13th in the mastermind. All right. So everyone, and I think yesterday, Billy had the pivots yesterday, right? Did anybody mark those down yesterday, those pivots? In the
I may have them first. Hold on a second.
Okay, cool, perfect. All right. Let's go ahead and get these pivots taken care of. And what did we say last night on the call, everybody? What did we say last night in the call? We're looking for that 1 hour time frame. We're looking for what? We're looking for that big boy 1 hour bullish candlestick. Right? Has not happened yet, but we looking for it.
Let me know when you're ready for them.
I'm ready. Let's go.
The pivot point 431.07.
431.07 pivot point. 431.07. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Support 1 429.88.
429.88. Support 1. Okay.
Yeah. And then support 2 427.52.
427.52. Okay.
And resistance 1 is 433.43.
433.43. All right.
And resistance 2 is 434.62.
434.62. All right. Perfect. Appreciate it. Make this one the orange. So I always change the color of my my actual pivot so I can know which one it actually is. All right. Beautiful. Look at that. So basically we just broke that support 2, right? We just broke our support 2 on that 1 hour time frame. Just broke that. Oh man. Okay. All right. Next thing is let's find some zones. Anybody found some? Anybody got any zones? The zones are still intact from yesterday, right? If I'm not mistaken, 4 hour, 1 hour. Those zones still intact from yesterday. So demand zone 420. That 428.5 down to 426. So we got a demand zone 420. It's a 4 hour demand zone. I erased it earlier or yesterday, I believe. So let me put it back. 428.5. 428.5 to 426. This is our demand zone. Okay, that's Big Mama's house. All right. That means the stock price comes down to this level and it's holding strong at that level. Okay, 1 hour, that's the 4 hour demand zone. We also the same thing from yesterday. Everything is still intact from yesterday. We didn't break we didn't break any levels yesterday. We didn't break a supply zone, nor did we break a demand zone yesterday. So all that stuff is still intact. The market is about to open up in 3 minutes, everybody. Let's go. The market is opening up in 3 minutes. So we have 432, right? Really 431.5 actually. 431.5, and we have a 1 hour demand zone or order block from 433. So 431.5 to 434 is the demand supply zone. So 431.5. And nobody swung calls last night in here, right? I'm glad Sebastian wasn't able to get into that play. Hopefully nobody swung those calls. All right. So boom. So now we got us a 1 hour. We got our 1 hour supply zone, 1 hour demand zone. Okay. Right here. Nothing's changed, everybody. Nothing has changed at all. Everything looks almost exactly like yesterday. Okay. Almost exactly like yesterday. Okay. So we got our 1 hour supply zone here. As you can see, yesterday it was the same level. Let me expand them out from yesterday. Some boom, boom, boom.
Chris, can you call out that 1 hour one more time? 431.5 to what?
Yeah, 431.5 to 434. 431.5 to 434s. It's a 1 hour and a 4 hour together.
Got. Oh, okay. Yep. I remember that from last night.
Yep. No problem. No problem. No problem. So look at it. This is yesterday, everybody, right here. Remember yesterday we said, hey, listen, we're in this demand zone. We're oversold, yada, 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 all that stuff. And right before we started trading, I said, listen, everybody, I would not be buying puts, right? And look what happened. The market went crazy to the upside. It went from 428.23 all the way to a 432.25 yesterday. So boom. Remember how I break everything down off of using your personal relationships, right? So think about right here. The relationship is in a rough spot. Next thing you know, the person say, I don't want to break up. I don't want to leave. I don't want this person to leave me. They start singing all the love songs. Sweet lady, would you be mine? Sweet love for a lifetime, right? And boom, the market goes up to this zone right here. When it gets to this zone, the person say, hey, I want to be with you. Let's move forward in life. Let's be together. Let's be exclusive. Let's get married. All that good stuff. And what happened when that person said that? The person said, listen, I like you a lot, but I'm just not with it. Okay? I'm not with us getting together. Let's being married. So the person rejected the marriage proposal or the exclusiveness. And look what the market is doing. The market fell down off of that rejection. Fell down off of that rejection, and now it's coming back into this demand zone. So what we want to see today when the market opens right now, there we go, the market is open. We want to see, do we come down to this demand zone? Do we come down to this demand zone, and do we bounce off of this demand zone? Okay? Do we bounce off of this demand zone? Also, everybody, what did we discuss last night? We discussed looking at particular levels that, matter of fact, on Zoom, let me do this right quick. On Zoom, I'm going to share my screen because it look blurry on Zoom, right? Oh, you guys couldn't see my screen all the whole time, could you? On YouTube, y'all couldn't see my screen. My bad, y'all. My apologies, everybody. Y'all couldn't see my screen. So here we go. This is the levels. These are the levels. And y'all just missed my whole rant just now that I did. I do not have time to do it again. All right, let me see something right quick. Boom, boom, boom. Zoom. Where's Zoom at? All right, let me share my screen. All right, screen shared. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. So right here, yesterday on the call last night, everybody, what did we discuss last night on the call? Finding these strong areas that just had the stock just go to and just happen to stop, right? For example, the stock came right here and just happened to stop. Why is that, everybody? And pushed up. Came right here and happened to stop. Why is that, everybody? We look back here, we see that the same thing around 3:15 this morning. So therefore, we're going to put right here as a strong. You can put it as a small little gray area. I'm going to put it as a gray area right here, just so I don't get it confused with my pivots. I'm going to make it a different color. I'm not going to make it gray. Make it like green or something. I ain't going to make it green either. I'm going to make it like purple. All right, we'll do purple. Okay? Or it's green. So boom. This is the level right here. Pre-market, the buyers was right here pre-market. Okay, at 3:15 this morning, 3 o'clock this morning, the buyers was right here. All right, then we come back here at 8:45 this morning. the buyers was right here at this same level again. Right here at 9:15, the buyers was right here again. $174 on Apple flat. Right now it's at 174.5. Okay, cool. And boom, look what it's doing. It's hitting this level again and it's staying right here at this particular level, everybody. Okay, so what we know now, immediately we know right now that this level right here is a strong level. So we're looking to see, are we going to break this level and fall back into this demand zone? Okay, will we break this level and fall back into this demand zone? Something to look for. Okay, something to look for. Remember, yesterday we came all the way down here to this 428.23. You want to see, are we going to stay in front of that 428.23 as well? Okay, take a look at SPX right quick. Sebastian said if Apple breaks 174, if Apple hits 174 flat, that's a bounce up area. That's a supply zone. Yep, I see it right here. Boom. All day yesterday. Here you go. Perfect. All day yesterday right here. 174. Right there. Look how Apple hit that 174 yesterday here, right here, and coming back down to that zone right now. Okay? Let's keep going. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. So, oh man. All right, so check this out. Look at this 4-hour time frame right quick, everybody. Look at this 4-hour time frame. Take a look right here. Let's go back to SPY right quick. All right here on SPY. What's wrong with my mouse? This is the 4-hour time frame. Everybody, this is something very, very, very small, but it's major for day trading. What I want you guys to look at is this right here. Take a look right here. Right here, that was the previous wick to the bottom. Right here. Previous wick to the bottom right here. Okay, that was yesterday. Today, the wick is right here. Okay, the wick is right here. Or the candlestick came down to this level right here. Right now, we are currently trying to form something. We're currently trying to form a higher low. The stock price, the stock went up, came back down, but it came back down and we want to see it make a higher low. So when this 4-hour candlestick right here closed, if this closes above this candlestick right here, that may be a sign for us that, hey, it may be time for us to go back up. Something to pay attention to. Pay very close attention to it. Also, I think I see something. I think I see a 4-hour trend line, if I'm not mistaken. Do I see? I think I do. Come right here, trend line. Boom. Boom. Potentially. Something light, not major, just light, real light. I'm not even gonna draw that right now. Okay. Let's go back to the 15-minute. All right, here we are at the 15-minute again. And everybody, I do not trade before 10 a.m. Do not trade before 10 a.m. It's going down to that 174.3 and then bounce over and over and over. Consolidating at that 174.30. Consolidation there. Look at that movement. Look at this movement off of SPY at this level. Take a look at the VIX right quick. Look at the VIX. The VIX is at a high as well, everybody. The VIX is kind of high right now as well. Let me go to that 1-hour time frame. The VIX is kind of high. It's not oversold yet on the 1 hour at all, so that's not bad. But the VIX is kind of high. Anything else y'all looking at right now in the Zoom? Anything you guys looking at right now in the Zoom?
Hey, I'm looking at just keeping an eye on Apple because it's going to swing SPY too. So I'm seeing over and over again, we're hitting about that 174.30. We actually broke below it at 25 cent.
Okay.
But we're hitting it over and over again. So I think if we break and hit that 174, we see the launch up. Every time it hits the 174.30, it goes up to about 70 cent. So if it does push back up, we should start seeing something happen there. But right now, it's just kind of hammering the bottom. So it could theoretically break through that 174. So I'm keeping an eye on it.
174.30. Yep. So I'm looking right now on the screen, so in the 1 hour. So we got that 174 right here is holding very strong, right? But then right beneath that 174, you kind of got a little small zone, and it's not a zone that's going to be too crazy. So if it breaks that 174.30, we still have that opportunity for a quick bounce up right around here. Right around this zone, right underneath it, 30 cents more down. You got this zone right here as well.
Yes, sir. I'm watching that because if that happens, then we might hit that 426 that we were talking about.
Exactly.
From there.
Exactly. I think that's what it's going to equate to. I think that 173.75 area is maybe a tad bit higher than that 426 SPY, but it's right there. It's right there at it. Right there at it. I want 10 o'clock to come on and come because right now we kind of looking. I like how we bouncing off of this area right here. I do like that price action. Look at this right here. Look at this. Look at this. Look how it bounced off of this area perfectly. We literally just talked about this last night, right? In the call. Looking to see where the buyers are pre-market is a good sign of where the buyer's going to be when the market opens up. So right now, everybody, we're in between this level right here and this S1. Okay, in between that level and that S1. Let's see how all the charts look together. The 15. Let me see, the 1 hour time frame looks like this.
Going back to yesterday, it looks like 429 is actually the play.
429.
You see it bounce down. Yeah, 429 flat. You're seeing it bounce down way below it a little bit, but it's shooting right off that 429 over and over again. Even if you look at the 1 day 15-minute right now, you'll see 429 perfectly across the board.
Beautiful. Beautiful. And I think right now it just bounced off that 429.11 to be almost, that's what I think I have that point is. But yep, 429, let's go. And that's the thing about it. Remember yesterday I said we're looking for that 1 hour bullish hammer candlestick. So what's happening is we're looking for it to we saw yesterday it attempted to push up, right? We saw the push up yesterday. And then overnight it fell back down. This is the thing about it, everybody. The fall back down did not go all the way back down. It stopped short. What the market was doing was the market was coming back to test. Right? The market was coming back to test this demand zone. And right now what we're looking to see is what this demand zone is going to do. Are we going to hold tight in this demand zone, that 428 area, or are we going to stay around that 429 area? If we're staying around this 429 area, that means that, hey, the buyers are moving up slowly. Okay? Slowly. But if we break this 429 area and go back into this demand zone and make a lower low, meaning we will have to break this 428.23 area, right? That's an indication that, hey, 426 is in our future. Okay? 426 will be in our future if we break this low right here. This 428.23. If we break that low, 426 is in our future, and then potentially even a 419 spot. I mean, it's still more selling pressure than buying pressure. If you're on Instagram, you want to see my screen, jump on over to my YouTube channel. We actually about to shut down YouTube in a moment. It's holding this 429 fairly well. Fairly well.
Some strong selling pressure on Apple right now. It's pushing, it's kind of holding lower and lower. Yeah,
I see that. That 15 minute, the 9 EMA is falling down. Like, is that an H pattern on? No, not really. Not really H. Let's see. Let's take a look at the other big boys. Google. kind of going down. Amazon. PayPal is in the gutter. Microsoft going down. Slowly, but slowly. Not too much. Slowly. The VIX not looking strong at all to me. Look at the VIX is forming a bearish hammer on the 1 hour time frame. A bearish candlestick on the 1 hour time frame for the VIX. What we know, the VIX falls, SPY goes up. VIX falls, SPY goes up. Check out QQQ. QQQ kind of holding tight. Holding strong to that pre-market level. NVIDIA fell. Let's see. NVIDIA. Where my NVIDIA at? I must be overlooking it. NVIDIA. Yeah, it fell. Wick back. It's trying to wick back up though. It's it fell right to that point at 3 o'clock yesterday, where it came down to and pushed up for that power hour yesterday. It fell down to that level and bounced and trying to bounce off of it. All right, almost 10 a.m. 15 minutes. The first 15-minute candlestick is about to close. Take a look on SPY. This is a bullish 15-minute candlestick. Bullish 15-minute candlestick. About the first 15-minute candlestick is about to close, and it's closing real bullish. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Now, what do we know? What we know from previously, right? When the market came to this 429, we see that it bounced and went up to this 431 when it came to this 429 earlier today. Early this morning, it went up to 431 and topped out there and fell back down to 429. So right now, we're trying to get through this support one. Okay, we're in between this support one. It's support one. It's acting as resistance, but it's labeled as support one. Okay, so we're trying to get through that. All right, candlestick should be closing, new one opening. Let's see what happens here. Do this candlestick push down and form a big boy red candlestick, or does it go less than 50%? If it falls red and go less than 50% and start to push up, we could see some movement up. Okay, could see some movement up. All right, so everybody that is on YouTube, that is our good morning stock options call. Good morning stock options show. Yes, I use Thinkorswim, everybody. That's what I use, Thinkorswim platform. Tesla had a good move early. To the downside, William, right, or to the upside. I had to go check that out. Same question. Morris X says what? 1 second. What does Morris say? Yep, I use Thinkorswim platform. Will consumer confidence have a great impact whether it holds or not? Yes, it definitely will, Dream Chaser. Consumer confidence is going to have a major impact. I'm sorry y'all couldn't see my screen earlier. My apologies, y'all. My apologies. But everybody, so listen, everybody, tomorrow morning we be right back here again for our for live for Wealth Wednesdays live trading. So we be right here again tomorrow, everybody. Thank y'all for tuning in every single morning. Right now, if you're in the YouTube and you're not in and you're in my Promised Land group, go ahead and join onto the Zoom chat. You should got a text message this morning with the Zoom link. If not, if you're new to this and you want to learn how to trade stock options, the next Mastermind is October 9th through October 13th. That's where I'm going to show you guys how to trade stock options. The link is in the description box on this YouTube video to sign up. Okay, everybody, y'all have a good one, and see you guys tomorrow morning on YouTube. Everybody in the Zoom chat, let's get ready to make some money.
All right, so